Perpetual, kaya Maki Makabasco. So, all watching, mga Perpetual supporters.
Daming
Kaya
excited kasi sa season 100.
Oo,
no?
kasi yung last championship na pumasok ang Perpetual. Nandun pa si Kuya Kwek, kalaban nila sila Gabi Espina. So, laging umaasa yan. Nasa Pampanga
Every
ngayon
year.
yan. Coach din doon.
Pagaran driving baseline, too strong to begin the second frame.
Ando doon na.
And JRU gets a crack at it kanina. Again tayo ng first quarter with Medina getting blocked by Pagaran. Diab. Mosqueda mid-range. Battle for the board. Panapanaan collects it.
Spirit goes for the ball.
Mosqueda. Diab. 7 to shoot for Josh. Mosqueda. Way short. Underneath Medina is fouled.
Lalim ng dukot ni Jonathan Medina. Na-sandwich siya ni Jericho Nunez at ni JT Bural. Di naman pag-swing lang Jericho Nunez.
Yeah.
So ito ang kailangan talaga na kailangan hinahanap dito ni Coach Olsen is somebody that can steady the ship. Kasi Jello Razon, Peter Pan Barguma, they were the guys na kahit mabilis, kaya nilang kontrolin yung ship. Yung kumbaga, teka, execute muna tayo. Alam natin kailan tayo bobomba, kailan tayo steady.
Yeah.
Yun din sa kabila. Si Ray De La Rosa and si JL De Los Santos, yun yung ginagawa eh. Pag veterano na, ganun yung
Mature na eh.
nangyari. Oo. Kaya ito si Orgo, akala ko si Movida magkakaroon ng chance to be that guy eh. So we'll see how this season will unfold para dito sa dalawang opponent.
Pero si Sean Orgo, exactly what you said, Coach Hammer, nung first quarter natin. Alam niya kung kailan sila raratrat at pabibilisin yung laro, pero maganda rin yung decision making niya ng pag-pullback.
At saka pagka hindi ka natuto magtimon kay Coach Olsen, wala nang makakapagtulong sa'yo yan.
That's right.
Parang yung mga big man, pag di kayo gumaling kay Coach Norman, baka hindi talaga kayo mag-basketball. Diba yung mga ganyan?
Yan na yan, the best of the best. Boral from the corner. Comes up short. Ball ending up with Orgo. Press 14 for the white shirts. Pagaran will try. MC pa rin. Good tap from Boral. Third chance. Wala pa rin. Perpetual. This Perpetual team right now firing blanks. Panapanaan. Cross court. Mosqueda. Ilalapit. Floats it up and puts it in off the bank.
There you go. Sidney Mosqueda getting that floater in. And it's nice to see that Sidney gets his opportunity. He has been buying time on that JRU rotation. Maalala ko nanalo to ng championship, diba? Juniors. I think
Juniors.
Yeah. If I'm not mistaken.
All right. Now let's go to our second quarter report. Balikan natin si Kyla Afable. Kyla.
Nung tinanong ko si veteran heavy bomber at team captain na si Joshua Giab kung ano ang karapat dapat nilang iwasan laban sa mga altas, ang sabi niya ay hindi dapat sila makampante sa depensa. Ika nga niya, hindi rin talaga biro ang mga altas dahil naghanda din sila and at the same time, yung height nila is mas malalaki talaga sila. So kailangan namin magtrabaho hanggang dulo. Alam nyo ba, Martin and Coach Hammer, na birthday ni Joshua kahapon. Kaya nung tinanong ko naman siya kung ano ang kanyang hinihiling sa laro na ito maliban sa panalo, sabi niya, ang hiling ko is magbunga lahat ng pinaghirapan namin at sana maganda maganda ang kalabasan ng season namin ngayon. Back to you, Martin and Coach Hammer.
Thank you so much. Kyla, well, belated happy birthday to Joshua Giab.
Yes, sir.
Alam mo naman tong JRU, sanay na undersize sila and on cue, he scores right there. He's got 9 points already.
Isa sa
Playing
mga
inspired basketball for the Heavy Bombers.
Exactly. Isa sa mga pinakamadaling basket na nakuha niya. Galing sa pasa. Dahil na-execute nila yung press break nila ng maganda. As we see...
Siya pa yung nakaagaw doon. Guarding Sean Orgo.
Pat Ramos. And we've been talking about Pat Ramos. This guy came from the program sa California, sa tumakbo na group yan. Ngayon, hinahandle ni Coach Tony De La Cruz sa I think Northern and Southern California. Doon sila naglalaro sila, Uncle George Pitariano. Sila yung nag-build ng mga nagdadala ng mga players dito, mga Filipino families na malaking mga groups yan eh.
Yeah.
And ito rin, buying time eh. Kasi ang lalim ng rotation.
Oo nga eh. Yeah. Last season, malalim talaga.
Oo, malalim.
Meron pang Williams yun last
Oo.
year.
Tsaka meron siyang game, I think it was season 98, na ang ganda. And even his field goal shooting was very good.
Yeah.
I think he scored 20 plus in one game.
May breakout game talaga siya. Kulang lang talaga ng consistency. Alright, JRU all of a sudden has extended their lead to now 7 points. Biggest so far for the Heavy Bombers.
Almost a steal. Actually, he completes the steal. Paeng Are. Bumiting sa ere. Paeng Are. Wow.
And one.
May deflection dito mula kay Are. Kondisyon na habol. Buhat bantay.
Together, we own the future. Kaya nato ni, kabaelan tayo daytoy. Kaya nato ini, kaya na ini. Kaya nato ni, kabaelan tayo daytoy. Kaya nato ini, own the future.
And the kids from Jose Rizal University are loving the action. Kasi abante na dito ang Heavy Bombers by 7 points, 28-21. And Perpetual, medyo napako dito sa ating second frame. They've only scored 1 point so far, outscored by JRU 7-1 in the first 2 minutes and 10 seconds of the second frame. Let's see what they can do off the timeout. Pressure being applied now by the Heavy Bombers. Wow, 11-0 run.
Yep.
to 1 run for JRU in the last few minutes. Goho Cruz, 4 to shoot. Goho Cruz will make this move. Denied by Benitez. And this is gonna be the test now for the rookie, Goho Cruz. This is not high school anymore, so kailangan mag-adjust yung kanyang offensive game. Barrera. Dia. Hand off to Ramos. Ramos attacks. Ramos.
Top shot
Difficult take.
against the threes ng Perpetual. Pilipit na tira.
Kaliwa pa, no?
Oo.
Orgo.
Oliver
Sano,
Tan.
by the way. At uy, banggaan niya magkakampi.
Go! Inadvertent whistle?
Hold on. Because that was Gelsano and Pagaran clashing. Although it was unclear what happened right behind
Oo.
them.
Tinulak si Gaisano papunta kay Pagaran.
Natin lang.
Oo, ayan o.
Oh yeah.
Chinikin wing.
Nonchalant ng tulak na yun ito ni Benitez. Pagaran gets
That's free
fouled
shots.
while taking a 3.
That's what coaches hate the most. Fouling jump shooters. Especially nandun ka na sa harapan. That's where discipline comes in. You want to stay close to the shooter, but when he elevates, you want to jump on the side of the shooting area. Kung kanan na player, you have to challenge with your left hand. Tatalon ka sa gilid. Papunta dun sa shoulder para maiilang siya. Alam niyang nandoon ka, naka-challenge ka, pero hindi ka tatama dun sa area of risk, yung landing spot niya. Unless na sumipa siya pagilid, doon ka matatawagan siya ng offensive foul.
Kumbaga, just to make him
Oh no, nandun ka.
uncomfortable.
Yes, exactly. Challenge the shot. No missed jumps, just challenge it with your with the hand closest to his shooting area, which is pag right hand shooter, kaliwang kamay, pag left hand shooter, right hand. Laging ganun.
Although ito yung problema ni Chris Pagaran ngayong araw na to, just 1 out of 3 from the free throw line. Now 3 out of 5. So he gets 2 out of 3 on that trip. Barrera. At point right now for JRU is Marvin Raimundo. Ooh! Pass is too high for Ramos.
Alam mo yung dalawang team natin, nagmamadali ngayon. Pero it might be opening game jitters for them.
Pwede.
Remember, this is their first game. The moment that the game slows down, that's when execution becomes a little bit more precise.
Yeah.
And coaches want that. And Perpetual hasn't made a field goal in the last 5 minutes plus.
That's half a quarter already. Without any field goal, itong Perpetual Altas. We'll see if they can break the dry spell. Pagaran is left with space, and he makes them pay.
Just enough space for Chris Pagaran to knock it down. Hindi mo pwede bigyan ng mga malilinis na lungsong si Chris Pagaran. Tsaka grabe rin to kumayod sa depensa.
Yeah. Diab. Barrera. Yes! Buries that baseline J.
So, impressed din ako dito kay Barrera throughout the offseason. He has been one of the surprise packages dito ni Coach Louie Gonzalez. Yung mga midi, favorite niya. Yan ang laro niya. Yan ang laro niya talaga.
Tama nga yung scouting mo, Coach Hammer.
Sa dami ng pinanood ko noong
Midi.
offseason. Talaga,
Sinuyod mo ba lahat ng
Oo,
ligas?
yung mga... Kaya pag pinanonood ko, kung tama ba yung scouting report ko sa tendencies sa ginagawa nitong mga player. Kasi si Pagaran, alam mo, de facto sa kanya mapupunta sa 50% of the touches. Hindi kompleto yung offensive set nila. Pag hindi duman, si Barrera percentage player, pin downs, run outs, sa nakakakuha yun ng mga baskets.
Naalala ko kung kanino ko naalala yung ganong klaseng form ng jump. Kay G. Miller.
Oh, palingkinitan pa,
Pwede,
no?
no?
Pwede.
Oo. Medyo nandun sa peak yung release.
Pero killer yun.
Oh yeah.
Tingnan natin kung pang crunch time.
Sana kilala pa yun ng mga batang nanonood.
Kilala
sa
pa.
atin.
Nasa TNT pa nun.
Ando pa naman, commentator. Alright, 30-26. So Perpetual, doing a great job in keeping within striking distance. Masyadong masigip yung bounce pass na yun.
And then, this is one thing that both teams have been doing really well.
Yeah.
They're shrinking the floor. Using length, hindi katangkaran ng GRU. But if you look at it, they have lengthy players. Kahit si Mosqueda kanina, si Samontones, maliit pero ang haba. And when they're covering the ground, ang hirap magpalusot ng pasa, yung mga chest pass tsaka bounce pass. Kailangan talaga looping pass na madaling sundutin. Sa kabila naman, ang haba at saka tatakad ng Perpetual. So they're shrinking the floor.
That's right. Parehong masikip. Dumipensa yung dalawang teams ito. Barrera misfires from straight away. Ito na si Bural. Galzano is all alone. Galzano, yes!
Recognizing that there is a man down to si Angelo Galzano, JP Bural, being unselfish, pwede nang i-rip pero making a basketball play on the forward pass. Kaya lang masyado nagigigil dito si Bural. Ayan o, execution kasi gusto niya lagi head down pero again, looking up, looking forward, catching and looking is a very important skill in basketball. Forward pass is your basket para rito sa Perps.
Yeah, ito talagang si Galzano mula rin sa kanilang juniors program getting elevated here in the collegiate game.
Sa bata ni Coach Alok yan. Yan.
Last season,
Saka
rookie
si
siya.
pangalan ng matangkad, number 21, Mascareñas.
Brian Mascareñas.
I think naka-line up din si Brian.
Yeah.
Yan, mga madidiin yan.
Good drive. And the finish para dito kay Justin Lozano.
Justin Lozano on the baseline drive. Maganda pa tanong kay Kila, bakit 94 number nito? Kasi DeMarcus Ware yan, yung favorite defensive player ko eh. 94 sa Dallas Cowboys nun. Tsaka sa Denver Broncos. Yun yung kauna-unahang nagustuhan ko defensive end. Tough shot.
Boral coming up short. Ooh, hard bump by Goho Cruz.
Over-eagerness. Wanted to... Youthful exuberance.
Oh yeah. And
You know, ito sa Montones, impressive din. Kaya ano naman length. Off-post layup for Lozano, driving baseline. Tsaka yun yung gusto mo eh. If you're a smaller team, pag nagsa-scramble yung depensa, ang gusto mo may closeout eh. Kasi makaka-atake ka or makakabasa ka na, pag umatake to, saan magro-rotate, may malilibre. So that's what the offensive patterns want eh. You want a closeout, you want a miscommunication sa depensa para maka-fabricate ka na ng tira.
Tira, yeah. Ginawa kanina ni Justin Lozano, Mark Barrera. Unti-unti nagpapakilala sa atin dito.
Kasi ang kilala natin, Marco Barrera. Baka hindi na kilala ng mga basbata yan.
Kailangan nasa Filipino boxing fan. Galzano. Wow! Kaliweting Pectus on the right side.
One dribble, stretch, di lang umagat.
But he will head to the line. Getting a much deserved free throw line trip.
Saka malaki rin yung responsibility dito ni Jello Helsano. Kasi may isang game last season that he was best player of the game, providing a lot of scoring punch from the bench. Now, aasahan na siya to provide stability. Getting rebounds, getting at least 4 to 6 points a game, pampahaba ng rotation nila. Kasi athletic, masipag. Again, yun na naman undersized, pero can set screens, mahaba, umuha ng rebounds. Lagi kang merong pagkakataon. Lalo na pag ganyan yung coaching staff mo.
True. Malaki yung nawala dito sa Perpetual. Yung malaking yun, si Mark Denver Omega. Yun. Oh, this is gonna be a backward violation. Raimundo.
Parang silver back.
Oh no, that's sa Montanes rather.
Backward, mali yung pass. Pero going back to MDO, parang pag nasa ilalim, parang silverback. Pag kumuha ng rebound, akin to talaga
Former volleyball player. Grabe yung springs. And has the nose.
Now doing his
the ball
residence,
as well.
doing his residence with the Electron Knights.
Oh, Pizarro. Couldn't make it. Marzano underneath. Count it and the foul.
Dito dapat kumuha ng kumpiyansa itong mga big guys ng Perpetual. Kasi it's a favorable matchup for them. Yung mga big man itong JRU, almost the same size as them. Pero may advantage sila kasi they're a little bit more athletic. So lahat ng kumpiyansang pwede mong kunin, kailangan kuhanin nyo na dito. Gandang matchup to ng JRU Perpetual.
Dito, did not make a start today, but it looks like in the future games, makakakuha siya ng mas marami pang minuto because of his activity here. Oh, look at the trap. The swarm by the Perpetual Altas. Barrera is left alone. It's the back iron. Saved by Samontanes. Lozano will drive, and Lozano knocks it down.
8 point, 7 point, 3-point shot. Ito, legit 3-pointer na para kay Lozano.
7 puntos na. Off the bench for Lozano.
Magkakamukha, magkakatindig yung mga player ng Jerry. Di mo na alam sino yung pupukol ng pupukol
They send it back out to Goho Cruz.
Good
He will
challenge.
pull the trigger, but he will knock it down. And that's the scoring caliber that he has. 7 points for the rookie, Mark Goho Cruz. Quick trigger timeout called by Coach Louie Gonzalez.
Exciting court action naman ang hatid ng nagbabalik na NCAA Season 100 Men's Basketball Competition. Sa opening game, victory para sa Season 99 defending champions na San Beda Red Lions kontra sa Season 100 host school na LPU Pirates sa score na 79-63. Pinatumba naman ng Benil Blazers ang Mapua Cardinals sa score na 78-60.
Balik sa ating laban, it is 36-34. It remains close. Look at the save by Samontanes, and it ends up with a Lozano triple, but on the other side, it was countered quickly by another rookie in Mark Goho Cruz. Mythical 5 in Season 99 Juniors Basketball. Part of that runner-up finish of the Junior Altas, now here in the collegiate scene.
Tsaka hinahanap niya yung una niyang puntos. Pantanggal ng pressure. Kasi ang bigat ng pressure dito kay Mark Goho Cruz. Dahil, of course, sila ni Emil Acido yung talagang inaasa. Tsaka si LeBron James dahil Emil Acido did his...
Gusto ko talagang kinukumpleto talaga natin yung kailangan yung LeBron James diet.
Kasi etong si Emil Acido did his debut over the weekend for a different school. And ngayon naman, Mark Goho Cruz, ang laking responsibility nito na in the future, he will be the face of this program. And importante yan for Coach Olsen na yung mga graduate ng high school magsistay sa programa nila. Yan yung, ako tingin ko si Goho Cruz, building block to ng programa ni Coach Olsen.
Panigurado. Oof. JRU is able to break the pressure. Samontanes getting extended playing time. Diab. Samontanes again. Barrera, inalapit. Barrera, just from inside the arc.
That's his favorite, going to the left, one shot fake, one dribble pull up. Gotta book sa Montanes with a steal.
Now, malakas lang yung layup. Manuel now. Goho Cruz steps into a 3. No, Alice skying for the board. Ball is tapped around. Kanino mapupunta ang bola na kay Bural. They swing it to the other side. Goho Cruz backs up. They will get it to the post. Pizarro underneath. Bullies his way to the paint.
Bully move by Pizarro. And Eman getting a drop step. Minama.
Ganoon. 38-36. Barrera.
Yun na naman.
Another midi. Barrera. Left it short. And here comes Goho Cruz. Ahead is Boral. Boral! No! Tried to stop it. But he gets fouled anyway.
Ay talaga yung maasahan mo rito. Talagang ididiin nila every time mahawakan yung bola. Didiin at didiin. Kaya lahat ready. How about this smooth as silk jumper shot fake? One dribble pull up. Lost start. Lost start yung mga pull-ups na ganyan. Ito rin, yung back to the basket. One dribble, buhat sa ilalim.
Ito, Coach Hammer, ang masakit para sa JRU. That's the third foul already on Ivan Panapanaan. So he heads to the bench along with Mark Barrera.
We will have a review on the last play.
Buti na lang marami nagsi-step up na big man para dito sa JRU.
So may review dun sa last foul dahil excessive hard contact.
Yeah. So tignan natin. It was Boral taking off.
Wala, good foul eh.
Oo
Hinabol
nga eh.
lang yung bola. Hinabol yung bola. Ako, I think it's a good foul. It's a basketball foul.
It is. Tingnan natin.
Hindi naman closed fist. Ito yung habol.
JP was ahead.
Ay, wala nga. Di nga na... Sumundot lang eh.
Oo.
Wala. Clean foul eh. Sundot sa ball. Sundot sa ball eh.
That was a...
Oo,
Just
nahuli
a tap
lang ng
from
konti.
behind.
Oo, regular foul. Good call by our officials.
Didn't upgrade it.
Tama.
So mananatili ang tawag. Just a regular foul. But still the third foul. on
Pagka
Ivan
yung tinawagan mo na
Panapanaan.
anspo, bawal ng madi.
Yeah.
Just go for the ball. Go for the swipe. Ang kagandahan lang, inabante kasi ni JP Boral. So off the catch, nakita mo inabante niya agad yung buwelo niya. Kasi gusto nga
Pahirapan maabot ano.
gustong idiin.
And Boral places in the free throw. JP Boral is making a mark in his first game here in season 100. 7 points already. You see the activity in rebounding. 4 rebounds. Pero yan, si John Abis, Mark Denver Omega, 3 of the best offensive rebounders last season. Takla ulit tayo. 38 all. 80 seconds left in the first half. Mga si Samontanes na. Ang steady point ni Coach Louie. As I say that, he fires up an air ball. There's a new player coming in for Jose Rizal University.
Cyrus Ferrer
Si
replacing
Cyrus Ferrer
Marvin Raimundo.
has been in JRU's team at least. Nakikipractice kay Coach Louie for a while now. Now he gets a chance in Team A. Abis! Ooh!
Dunk.
Net by Benitez. Medina is on the move. Bounce to Guillab. Agaw ni Pagaran. Manuel. Boral. Boral will attack. Boral will force it. And he gets another whistle, Coach Hammer.
And a little sweet nothings para dito sa ating mga manlalaro. Good help side. So, inabot lang sa katawan. But again, a lot of errant passes, a lot of unforced turnovers dito. For both teams.
For both teams. So let's do a quick turnover count. Okay. A total of 32 turnovers so far. 16 apiece per
that's-
team.
Warning on JRU.
And we're just in the
number
first
21.
half.
That's very high.
For taunting.
We will just chalk it up to
That's first game.
youthful exuberance in the first game of the
First
season.
game.
Dahil to both
At the
teams,
line,
parehas bata.
That's true. Yeah.
But you have to tighten your range pagka ganyan. 16 turnovers, that's very high for one half. For a game, that's very high.
For an entire game, ha? Mataas na yun. One half. Mas mataas yun. Oh, this is...
Sweet nothings.
Ayan.
Sweet nothings lang yan. Emotion.
Moralan Benitez.
But again, emotions are the number one culprit against mental
Oh, yeah.
clarity. Pagka gusto mo mag-execute yan talaga. Mental clarity is the number one thing pagdating mo sa execution.
And we saw that in that game between EAC and Arellano.
Oh.
Costly technical foul towards the end on Kapulong.
Oh, it's a technical.
They're
Nangyari,
calling
nangyari.
a tech.
So technical. Benitez.
It was a technical foul on number 21, Lance Benitez.
Si Lance Benitez. Ang tatawagan ng technical foul dito.
That's Lance Benitez' third foul.
So second big man para sa JRU
Yeah.
na meron ng 3 foul.
Kaya, alam mo Martin, yung mga dati, I mean, when you play, you have to
Free throw,
be
Chris
even
Pagaran.
keeled pagka ganyan. I mean, oo, meron kang emotions, but yeah, sharpness of mind and the things that kailangan task-oriented ka eh. Ano yung ginagawa mo? Yun yung mga nagpo-progress papunta sa pros, yung mga can compartmentalize. Pagdating sa ganyan, high, lows, steady ka lang. Nasa gitna ka lang. Nonchalant ka lang nga dapat eh.
Nonchalant
If you
dapat.
get a block, next play.
And alam natin, syempre iba yung emosyon pag
Oo.
nasa court ka.
Ang
Iba
dali
yung
sabihin kasi
physicality.
hindi ka naglalaro.
Oo.
Especially coming from me. Ang dali sabihin eh.
Oo.
Pero as you progress, lalo na as I was doing my scouting reports and doing that, the guys that really progress with their careers
That's what
are the
separates them.
are the ones that really can execute under duress na ganyan. Lalo na yan, lakas ng drums, ang daming mga nanonood. Can you execute the task? Minsan mas yun pang ang tinitignan ng mga pro coaches compared sa, tools ito, maraming tools, matangkad, athletic. Pero, skill, kaya ba niya umexecute pagkapitpitan na? Okay, so yun yung mga sisirkala ng coaches. Kaya yung mga extra motion, teka, di na kailangan yan.
That's right. So,
When
for
the
Benitez, well, this
on the
is
shot clock.
a good lesson in
Oh, yeah.
your first game.
First year that,
first year.
lahat naman tayo dumaan dyan eh. Show me a 20-year-old na hindi emotional.
That's true. Yeah. By the way, Sean Argento is back in the game.
Up and down na nilalaro siya for today. Yung minutes din niya medyo. Dahil maganda rin ang nilalaro ni sa Montones defensively. Yeah.
Has only taken 1 shot. This is his second. He drops it in. A bona fide scorer, Sean Argento.
Was the best player of the game in their first win in season 99. In the opening day, ha?
Opening day. Yeah. That was an upset
Yeah.
against, was it Letran?
Letran in the opening day.
Yeah. Pagaran. Or trying to find Pizarro. They go back out. Chris for 3. Left it short. But the offensive rebounding of Perpetual. They need to take it. Abbas beats the buzzer. Sean Abbas gets them another chance and makes it count. Oh yeah, from our view, from our vantage point, that was good.
Basket. Klarong-klaro.
And we end the first half
And it counts
with our
for John Abbas.
6th deadlock of the game.
Halftime
41 all.
scoring
Officially it
is
counts for John
41 all.
Abbas.